Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I want to show you guys the step-by-step process you need to follow to be able to set up your Payoneer account, and also how you can be able to activate your Payoneer dollar receiving account. Now, I've seen a lot of misinformation when it comes to creating a Payoneer account, most especially when it comes to activating your Payoneer dollar receiving account. Now, I've seen people that say that once you create your Payoneer account, you can also get someone that already have a Payoneer account to send you some Payoneer funds so that you can be able to activate that dollar receiving account. Now, this actually does not work, okay? And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys what you need to do for you to be able to not just create your Payoneer account, but also to be able to activate the Payoneer dollar receiving account or UK receiving account, any receiving account you want to activate, so that you can be able to use it to start receiving money from most of these online marketplaces that you are currently working with. And as you can see right here, I already have a Payoneer account which I'm actively used to receive money right here, okay? And if I also go to the Get Pay right now and go to the receiving account section, you also see that I also have some receiving account right here. You can see that I'm able to activate the Australian receiving account, the British pounds receiving account, and also the dollar receiving account right here on my Payoneer account. So make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the very end to see the exact process it takes to create a working Payoneer account, and any other questions you will have when it comes to setting up your Payoneer accounts. And if you find this video valuable at any moment, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like this video, and click the bell notification icon to always stay updated when I drop new content right here on the YouTube channel. Now, to get started towards creating your Payoneer account, go to the video description of this video and you will see the link that says click here to register on Payoneer. Go ahead and click on that link. Now, once you click on that link, it's going to bring you over to this particular page. Now, you'll see where it says choose the right Payoneer account for your business needs. Okay, so right here it's going to ask you, are you a freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, or they just want to know what you're actually doing with the account. So we are actually a freelancer or a small business owner, so we're going to select this freelancer or small business owner. So right here it's going to ask us, I'm looking to get paid and make payments globally, add funds from my bank account, convert currency, and more. So we're going to go ahead and select that. So right here it's going to ask, the right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider, getting paid by client via marketplace. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead right now and click on register. Now, once you click on this register right now, it's going to bring you over to this exact page. Okay, now once you get to this particular page, now you're going to ask you right here, is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? So we are going to select no, because our business is not yet registered because we are freelancers. Okay, but if you have a registered business, you can go ahead and select yes, but we're going to be going with no. Okay, so I'll go ahead right now and fill in the details of my family member that I'm actually using to create this new account, because as you guys know, I already have my own Payoneer account right now, and Payoneer does not allow you to be able to create two accounts. Okay, so I'll go ahead right now and use my family members details to set up this new account so that you guys will see exactly how it is done. So I've gone ahead to fill in the details right here, the name, the email address, and also the date of birth. And once you have done that, go ahead and click on next. Now over here, they're going to ask you to add your contact details. So you have to go ahead and add your country, your street number, your phone number. Now once you have added your contact details, go ahead and click on send code, and they are going to send the code to your phone number right now. So they have sent the code and I've added the code right here. I'll go ahead and click on next, and right here you need to go ahead and add your security details. So this is where you're required to fill in your password, your security question, your ID details, and all that. Now I've gone ahead to add the security details right here. Now the next one is the ID details. Okay, so the issuing country of ID, I'm going to select Nigeria because that's where I got my ID. Now the ID tab, so you can either use national ID card, or you can use your driver's license, or you can use your passport. So I'll be using passport to create this account. So I've gone ahead to add the ID numbers and the other details they required. So I'll go ahead and click on next. Now over here you need to go ahead and add in your bank account. Okay, well, you have to make sure that any bank account you're adding right here actually has the name that you actually use to set up this Payoneer account. Okay, because that's what shows them that you are actually a real person and you are creating this account for yourself. Once you have added your account number, go ahead and select I agree to the terms and conditions, and also I agree to the pricing and fees. And once you have done that, go ahead and click on submit. And right here, you are going to see, congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been successfully submitted and is now being reviewed. Okay, now if you followed everything I actually showed you right here, your Payoneer account will actually get approved. Okay, but know that it can actually take several business days for it to be approved. Okay, now once it's approved, you can now go ahead and be able to create your foreign bank account right here on Payoneer and get your cards and every other stuff you want to do with this particular Payoneer account. Okay, so guys, if you take a look right here, you are going to see that your application to Payoneer is now approved, and this actually took less than 10 minutes for them to be able to review and approve this account. Okay, so what I simply have to do right now is to come over right now and click on sign in to sign in into this new Payoneer account that I just created right now. So I'll go ahead and add in my email address and my password, and once I've done that, I will go ahead and click on sign in. And as you can see right here, it's loading up right now, and it's logging us into our Payoneer account. As you can see, welcome back Margaret. Before continuing to your account, please provide the update listed below. Okay, so right here they're gonna ask you to update your security setting, so I'll go ahead right now and click on update now, and as you can see right here, it's done. So I'll go ahead and click on done. Okay, and as you can see, your account is approved. Okay, so now that your account is approved, you can be able to get paid with Payoneer. You can actually pay people with Payoneer, and you can also withdraw your money right here. Okay, so now let's start with this particular first one, which is get paid with Payoneer. And right here you can see where they say batch payment request to multiple payers or receiving account. Okay, so what we actually need right now is a receiving account. So if I go ahead and click on this receiving account right here, now once you land on the receiving account, now you can be able to see that you can be able to get bank account details in the countries where you get paid. The receiving account give you bank account details in different countries and currencies. It's like having a local bank account wherever you do businesses. Okay, now but for you to be able to get this receiving account, you need to be able to earn up to 50 USD or equivalent in other currency to become eligible to request your first receiving account. Okay, now it's important that you go ahead and click on this check my eligibility right now, so that you can be able to see the guidelines that you need to follow to be able to request this receiving account. Now if you take a look right here, you can see that for you to be able to request a US receiving account, now you can click on the guidelines right now. Now you can see the account guidelines right now for the USD. So only payment for business transaction from business accounts are supported, and the beneficiary name and address used for the transfer must match the account holder name and the address of your Payoneer account profile. So the business that is actually sending you the money has to actually add the name that you use in creating this Payoneer account right here. You need to match for them to be able to allow you to create this USD account. Okay, and there is one mistake that people are making. People think that if you contact someone that already have a Payoneer account and they send payment using their own Payoneer email to your own email, that is going to work. It's not going to work. Okay, so guys, even if you take a look right here, you see where they include that this excludes payment received directly from other Payoneer customers balances. So guys, if you actually want me to make a step-by-step video also showing you guys how I'll be able to activate this particular one right now, also let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and do that. Now the reason why I'm not going to be included in this video is that it's actually going to take us a while for us to be able to get this receiving account. But if you guys want me to show you guys a step-by-step video on how I was able to get my US receiving account right here or my UK receiving account, let me know in the comment section and I will go ahead and make that video. Okay, now once you have been able to complete this one, and the next one is the pay section. So if you actually go to this pay section right now, and you can see that you can be able to pay people right here using your Payoneer account. Now if you want to get a Payoneer card, you can go ahead and click on the Payoneer cards, as you can see right here. Now once you click on Payoneer card, it's going to bring you over to this particular page. Now for you to be able to order a Payoneer card, you need to receive a payment of at least 100 USD to your account in a 6-month period. Okay, so this is actually another restriction that Payoneer is actually putting up right here, so that they make sure that the people that they are actually allowing to get all this stuff are people that are already making money right there on their platform. And if you are a freelancer, or if you're someone that want to start making money online, I'm going to include a link in the video description of this particular video that will show you a step-by-step process on how you can be able to start making $100 per day for yourself by offering simple freelance services. Okay, this is something that you does not need any experience for you to be able to do. Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. Click on that link to learn how you can be able to make money on that platform. Connect your Payoneer account to the platform to be able to start meeting all these requirements that they're actually showing you guys right here. Okay, remember the link to that video will be in the video description of this particular video. Okay, and also now if you want to withdraw your money, you can go ahead and click on this withdraw and convert. Now just simply come over right here and click on this withdraw to bank. And once you click on withdraw to bank right here, and it's going to ask you choose when to withdraw. Withdraw now, schedule your withdrawal, withdraw at a target exchange rate. So I can go ahead and click on withdraw now right now and click on next. Now it's going to bring you over to this particular page. Now remember that we added our EcoBank account right now. Okay, so let's say that I want to go ahead right now and withdraw 50 USD. Okay, so if I put 50 USD right here, now you can see that they can be able to send this 50 USD. They will convert it to naira for me, and you can see the exchange rate that they are using right there, which is 1 USD is 1,474 naira, which is actually very, very low than what the black market is actually charging right now, because according to naira rate, 1 USD is going for 1,583 naira. Okay, but right here Payoneer is actually giving us 1,474 naira. So you also have to do well to like go ahead and create a USD or domiciliary bank account in your local bank account, most especially in Nigeria, so that you can be able to link that USD bank account right here and withdraw directly to your USD account. Do you get? So that you can sell it to those abokis and do your own conversion rate by yourself instead of taking what Payoneer is giving you right now. But if you don't have a USD account or a domiciliary account, just go ahead and withdraw it directly to your local bank account right now. Go ahead and click on this review, and they will be able to send this money directly to your local bank account. Now the next thing I also want to show you guys is that you can also be able to convert currencies right here. So if you go to convert currency, you can be able to convert your USD that is in your account to euro or to any other currency you want. For example, let's say that I want to go ahead and convert 20 USD right now, and I want to convert it to British pounds right here. So you're going to see how much I'm going to be getting in British pounds, which is 16.1. So that's how the conversion works. So let me quickly exit this particular one right here. Now to manage your account, you can go ahead and click on this manage right here, and you can be able to see more options on how you can be able to manage your account. For example, if you actually want to go ahead and enter bank accounts for withdrawals, go ahead and click on this bank account for withdrawals right here, and right here you can see your active bank accounts right here. Then when you want to add like a domiciliary or a USD bank account that you got from your local bank, just simply come over right here and click on this add account right here. And once you click on it, and go ahead and enter your bank details right here, follow it and go ahead and add your bank account. So it's very, very easy for you to be able to do, as you can see. Now right here you can also get your report and statement right here. You can see you can get your transaction report right here, your monthly statement, and also a letter of good standing. Okay, and also you can also see the businesses that you work with. You can be able to see companies that you work with right here. You can also see contacts that you work with. So if you have a company that you're working with right now, let's say you're working with Fiverr or Legit, you can be able to connect your Payoneer accounts to those kind of platforms so you can start receiving payments from them. Okay, just simply go ahead right now and click on learn how, and they will direct you step by step on how you can be able to connect your accounts to those kind of platforms so that you can start receiving your money. As you can see, are you a freelancer working on Upwork or Fiverr, even on Legit too, you can be able to connect your account right here to start receiving your payment directly from Legit directly to your Payoneer account. And the last thing right here is the business integration, where you can be able to connect apps or business applications right here. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video, and if you have any question, you can also do well to drop it in the comment section of this video, and I'll also do well to address to any of your questions. Okay, and also remember, if you actually want to learn how you can start earning $100 each and every day for yourself, go ahead and watch the new video that I have on Legit that I'm going to be linking down in the description of this video. And why you also need to watch that video is that once you have learned how to start making money on Legit, you can link your Payoneer account to your Legit account so that you can be able to start withdrawing money or receiving money from Legit directly into your Payoneer account. And this will be able to allow you to activate your Payoneer dollar receiving account or UK receiving account, because you're already receiving money from a marketplace like Legit or Fiverr. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the link to that video down in the video description of this video, so make sure you go ahead and check it out right now to start taking advantage of that particular video. Okay, and if you find this video valuable, don't forget to let me know in the comment section, and also do well to smash that subscribe button, like this video and click the bell notification icon, and see you on the next video.